Hey, my lovely people, welcome back to my page. I know I've been away. I am working on content and at the same time working on ideas to entertain and inform and to encourage you all. This is one of my old artwork that I just cherish. I still have it, it's really nice. And I just wanted to come on here and just remind you that you're special, you are loved, you are one of a kind, and you should just keep on pushing no matter what the circumstance is. Keep on pushing, and I hope to see you in my next video that I'm gonna do. It's going to be more of a Christmassy vibe, and it's going to be a bottle again, spray painted and decorated. So hope to see you soon on that video, and have a pleasant week, and stay safe. All right, bless. Thank you for getting to the end of this video. There are some other videos that I do, including art, vlog, and even DIY. You can get them here. Just click right here.